Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to shorten these capri leggings. So this is before and I will shorten them to shorts. First I'm pinning length which I would like there. So here it is. Next I will pin the whole hem the same distance from the original hem to my new hem all around. And I will repeat same process on other leg, so both legs are same length. Next I will iron my new hem all around where the pins are. I'm turning old hem inside like that, and I will iron my new hem all around. Next I'm removing pins from my new hem like that, and I'm ironing that new hem over again like that, and I will repeat same on other leg hem. Both hems are prepared now and ready to sew. I'll be using a twin needle for this project. I have made full tutorial how to use twin needle before. I will add link down below on description on this tutorial. And I'll be using this magnetic guide tool, so my hem is nice and straight. Now I'll sew my hem. I'll be using inside seam, and I'm placing that inside seam under the presser foot, and I'm sewing my new hem. I'm stretching my fabric slightly when I sew, so my shorts are nice and stretchy on a hem. And here's my new hem. So this is how it looks. So this is the wrong side and this is the right side. Nice and stretchy all around. This is how it looks. All around, double stitching there. Next I'll cut out excess hem inside. This hem, all that fabric, I will cut out. I'm cutting a small hole near the hem, and I'm cutting that excess hem all around close to my new stitching very carefully so I don't cut the right side, and I'm cutting that hem all around, and here it is all cut out, and my new hem is finished. Looks like that. So this is the wrong side and this is the right side. I'll repeat same process on other leg hem. Next I'm ironing both hems flat, and here my new finished shorts. Both hems are shortened and they are nice and stretchy on both legs. If you have any questions how I shortened these capri leggings to shorts, please comment down below in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.